Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to present our project on the Smart City Panic Button. This project is a part of our course MPU3242 Innovation Management. My name is Nur Sofia Adlina binti Muhammad Salmi. My student ID is 522131204669 and my group members are Muhammad Hadif bin Abdul Rahim, Muhammad Ashraf bin Uthman, Nur Alia Syuhada binti Samsuri, Nur Irene Sofia binti Zaidi and Nur Alia Izzati binti Zaidi. Our presentation will cover the following topics: introduction, goals, problem statement, impact, viability, technology, deployment phase, and features. Drowning is the leading cause of death in water-related settings. To address this issue, we present the Smart City Panic Button. Our system enhances safety by integrating sound sensors and CCTV cameras, detecting dangers, and adjusting camera angles for critical visuals. With real-time video and audio connections, individuals in distress can communicate with emergency responders effectively. Let's explore the goals of our project. Goal 1. Improve safety. We aim to create safer environments and also ensure well-being. Goal 2. Enhance emergency response. We want to improve effectiveness and reliability during critical situations. Goal 3. Reduce response time. Our advanced technologies will speed up responses and also saving lives. Goal 4. Ensure wide coverage. We hope to extend the safety measures to diverse settings. Goal 5. Enhance collaboration with local authorities. We give real-time alerts and coordination which enhance safety. And last but not least, our goal is guarantee data security and privacy. We protect collected data for security purposes. Our project tackles key issues in the current emergency response system. Firstly, there is a lack of reliable and timely response during emergencies, leaving individuals in dangerous situations without help. Secondly, limited of emergency system, making them inaccessible in certain situations, which creating a significant gap in providing immediate assistance. Lastly, response time to emergencies vary greatly, which posing risk to individuals in critical situations. In 2017 and 2018, drowning incidents accounted for 44.2% and 44.5% respectively. Although the percentage decreased to 11.2% in 2019, the numbers remain concerning. High-risk locations such as Selangor, Kelantan, Pahang, Sabah, Terengganu, and Penang reported a total of 138 victims from 2016 to 2018. Our project with the panic button system has a significant impact on local authorities. It improves emergency response capabilities, reducing response time and potentially saving lives. The system provides accurate and timely information, enabling informed information or decision and swift action during emergencies. It also facilitates proactive risk management and strengthens stakeholder collaboration. And by enhancing public safety and installing confidence, the project fosters trust in local authorities. For project viability, we assess risk, cost, time frame, and the measure of success. Performance risk includes time constraints and miscommunication. Operational risk relates to process changes within the company or team. The estimated cost is 7 million ringgit, covering crucial components for an effective emergency response system. We aim to complete the project within a 3-month time frame, excluding weekends and public holidays. Our goal is to effectively implement the system in all areas, ensuring comprehensive coverage and enhanced safety. For project success, we prioritize key measures. The schedule baseline keeps us on track with updates and visual tools. Stakeholder satisfaction involves feedback and strategic engagement. Internal growth and team satisfaction enhance job fulfillment. And by focusing on these measures, we ensure project success and stakeholder satisfaction. This is the visual representation of the panic button that will have a 360 camera attached to it and a two-way microphone and speaker for communications between the user and the operator. Our panic button utilizes the LoRa network for robust and long-range wireless communication. With a user-friendly dashboard, instant text messaging, and an alarm unit, our system ensures prompt distress signal transmission. Analytics and reporting capabilities also enable data analysis and future improvements. During the deployment phase, our project will cover the entirety of Kuala Lumpur and Selangor. Our panic button system will be strategically installed in various locations, including recreation parks, residential areas, waterfalls, rivers, and beaches. This comprehensive deployment aims to create a wide safety network, ensuring the well-being of individuals in different settings throughout these regions. Moving on to the special features of our highly effective Smart City Panic Button system, it incorporates sound sensors that trigger CCTV cameras towards unusual sounds, enabling swift response. Our advanced sound detection algorithm recognizes emergency situations like gunshots, screams, and alarms. Seamless collaboration with local authorities is facilitated through real-time alerts. Equipped with high-quality CCTV cameras capturing 4K video footage, our system ensures clear visuals for incident analysis. The real-time alert system allows individuals in distress to provide crucial location and emergency details. Our Smart City Panic Button system ensures secure data transmission and storage with a robust network infrastructure. We prioritize seamless installation and configuration for uninterrupted operation. And data privacy is strictly maintained, and our maintenance and support services ensure optimal system performance. That's all for our project. Thank you for listening.